Welcome to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. This week, we're gonna kick the video off by doing some drag truck stuff. We're gonna rewire a couple switches. We're gonna finish the transmission cooler. We'll be working on the transmission and the cheese puff, dropping the drag truck off for some exciting upgrades. Let's not waste any more time. We're gonna get right into it. While they're working on wiring everything up inside, I'm gonna start by pulling the valve covers off and getting the valves adjusted. After that's done, that'll be it for the drag truck. We can get it off the lift and move on to the next. Just got to the shop. Dad is putting the transmission in the cheese puff right now, so we're gonna jump right in and give him a hand with that. One of our buddies, Andy, he works out at the track, has a green Nova. He's gonna be coming over to throw his car over on the 2-post lift, put his transmission in it, so we're gonna be doing multiple transmissions at once. I'll get you guys set up and we're gonna get chipping away at that. They're still chipping away at Andy's transmission in there. So while they're doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and get the drag truck in the trailer because in a couple days here, I'm bringing it over to get the cage redone. We're gonna add a couple extra bars. So yeah, it's pretty exciting. The drag truck is all loaded up and tucked away. I'll be dropping it off here in the next couple days. But for now, let's jump over to the next project on the C10. At the moment, I just have this universal center console we had laying around. I think it was originally from Walmart. It works nice, but every time I take a turn, I'm trying to hold whatever's in here so it doesn't just fly around. I think they make something for the bench seats that's a console that comes with this, but basically what I'm gonna do, I just ordered a strap off Amazon, but all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a couple holes and run a strap through this thing. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on that. I'm not sure if this is the right way to do this, but I've seen it done before. I don't know, this is where I'm gonna start with. We'll see if this works or not, and if not, I'll end up doing something else. Should probably mark where I'm gonna try and cut first. Let's try this again. Like butter. We almost got it. All right, got one side through. We'll do one more on the back and we'll call it good. Go set it in the truck. I'll give you guys an update after I drive around with it for a while, and we'll see how I like it. It's finally time to take the drag truck over to Mike's shop to get the roll cage finished. So we're gonna hook up a trailer and head over there. Mike said he'd be able to get the drag truck cage wrapped up for us before our first race on April 1st, which I really appreciate. That'll be awesome. The truck is dropped off at Mike's. We should have it back shortly. I'll show you guys what we did next video, but that will wrap up today's video. As always, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much for watching. We are only a couple weeks out from racing season. Like, subscribe, drop a comment below, and we'll catch you next time.